Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have Litecoin LTC daily update, but we are going to make a long-term price prediction and a technical analysis. So before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee /MindYourCrypto. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, personal guidance and many more benefits. Only 50 people can join in, guys, because I don't have the time for more and you can cancel anytime you like. Also, join the Telegram group chat. We are a family, we are a community that grows together and we help each other every day. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. So now we are going to see for Litecoin, and we are going to see whether we can go to 500, 600, 60, 650 and 700. Okay, so we are potentially going to see whether we can realistically go there, if we can go higher, and what should we expect for the next weeks. Okay, because right now you can see that Litecoin, guys, is consolidating for so long. You can see on the weekly frame this big bearish candle on 17th May, guys, that contains, actually it contains 1 week, right? So this was from the previous week, this is the after week right here, and we had a very huge bearish moment for Litecoin. Now we stopped at the 107. If you draw your Fibonacci retracement from the bottom right here on 9th March 2020 ending to the top we formed back on 10th May, you will notice that we stopped exactly at the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and we had some buying pressure, the 107. That is a huge loss, guys. We lost around 75%. That's enormous, guys, in just a few weeks, right? So eventually we want to see on the long term if we can go to 500, because as you will notice, we just achieved this price, guys, the 411, this one right here, 412 around there, while LTC, actually Bitcoin against Bitcoin, wasn't doing so good. We were around here while we achieved the price at the 0.007035. That means, guys, if Bitcoin's price was 100k there, then we could easily go at 700 Tether USD for Litecoin, okay? But in this price, Bitcoin was around 50k, maybe more, and so we could eventually go till here. Then we corrected as we should do, because we had a very bearish moment afterwards for Bitcoin as well. But you can see that we achieved the 420 without LTC against Bitcoin being dominant, okay? Because you can see that in the previous weeks, in the previous months, we were very dominant. Right now we are not, but yet we managed to find our way because of Bitcoin being at 65,000 Tether USD, all right? So therefore, guys, that's why we approached that and we could manage to make that. And of course, we went all the way upwards. We corrected again a little bit. Now on the weekly frame, guys, for LTC and Tether USD, you will notice that we are near the -100 for the commodity channel index, and we are at the bottom, near the bottom for the stochastic RSI on the long term. You can see that we can stay there for quite some time, for around 3-4 months in this consolidation period, and then we will have soon a pump up, okay? But we need to wait a little bit. The RSI is not below 30 and we can correct more because the RSI is not below 30, okay? So eventually we can correct a few weeks more till 1 month, 2 months or so. We might see a huge pump up in between, but we will eventually fall down again. So I believe, guys, let's talk about some optimistic things. If we can go to 500, 600, you can see the price level right here, 650 and 720 Tether USD. Can we go there? Can we potentially move there? And I am very confident that we can do it. 700 is a very realistic price. For me, even 1000 is a very realistic price. for it to be done, guys, you just have to wait and see. If we just go for LTC Bitcoin chart here, and let's say that we move upwards to the previous highs we have formed back on just few weeks before, on 2019, 2 years actually before, you will realize that if we stop here, Bitcoin will have to be 50k in order to go to 900 Tether USD Litecoin. So eventually, guys, according to historical data, yes, we can move upwards, and of course Litecoin can be even higher in the price. Okay, so I do believe, yes, that we can potentially go to 700 Tether USD easily, because if we are around here, guys, for the 700 Tether USD, we would have to be here, and Bitcoin would have to be around 50k. If you multiply this number with 50k, you will get around 760 Tether USD of Litecoin. Okay, so therefore, yes, I do believe that this is very achievable. Even the 2000 Tether USD Litecoin, but this should be in a very bullish moment, in a very bullish scenario where the Litecoin Bitcoin chart will just explode along with the Bitcoin chart. Okay, so eventually we would see we would have 100k Bitcoin, and we should be around this area right here. If you multiply this price label with 100k, then of course you can go to 2000 Tether USD Litecoin, but it's very hard now to approach these numbers. These previous numbers we formed back on 19 February 2018. But however, guys, in the weekly frame we are very undervalued. I believe Litecoin against Bitcoin, of course, mostly against Bitcoin, is very undervalued. And I believe, guys, that on the weekly frame Bitcoin can go to 100,000 Tether USD, because it is a minus 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. If you draw from the bottom to the top and you add these numbers in your Fibonacci, you will understand that we can potentially go there. Okay, so in my opinion, yes, we can reapproach the 700 for sure. I believe that Litecoin can go there. It is a very realistic price prediction, and even 2000 Tether USD. But for the 2000 Tether USD, we have to wait a little bit for now. Okay, we have to wait a little bit for Litecoin in order to go there, because right now we are underperforming and we are eventually going all the way down. We even went to 107 for Litecoin. So therefore, guys, please be careful, but I think that we are way undervalued for Litecoin, and I believe that we have a huge future ahead. Thank you for watching. Join our monthly subscription and also join our Telegram group chat. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.